This is the SUPERAPEMAN 1080p front and rear dual dash cam. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the user manual, you get the front camera and the suction cup mount for it. This is the cable for it. Plugs in to the camera using a micro USB right angle connector, cigarette lighter plug with a spare USB port, so if you have a phone charger you won't lose your plug-in thing, provided your phone charger is USB, or it acts as an additional USB port. They give you the USB cable to connect it to the computer, USB to micro USB. Here is the rear camera right over here. That plugs into the main camera. That's mounted up using either double stick tape. There was some on there already. They give you another pad and also some screws if you wanted to mount it up that way. A little reset tool and a spudger tool. This is nice to help tuck the wire in that runs from the front to the rear camera right there. Now both of the cameras, the front and the rear, have 170-degree wide angle lenses on them, so it'll be able to capture footage out to the sides. Front camera records at 1080p 30 frames per second. The rear camera is 720p. Of course, this dash cam has all of the features that we've come to expect in dash cams today, such as a G sensor, loop recording, motion detection, and also parking protection as well. So somebody bumps the car, it'll turn on, record that, and hopefully you'll be able to capture the license plate. Front camera right here is plug and play. It's ready to go. Takes a micro SD card right there on the side. Can accept from 32 to 128 gigabytes. So you'll have plenty of recording space for any clips on there. And it has a 2-inch screen. Nice small size so it won't get in the way and block your windshield view. So now we'll go take this out to the car. I'll just rig it up rudimentarily so you can get an idea of what it can capture for you, and then we'll wrap this up. Okay, we're ready to go, so we'll start the engine. And I'm just going to leave that run for a minute, and then we'll go. Okay, we're off. Now as we go along here, I'm going to be cutting the footage for time as well as speeding up portions of it. First thing I'm going to do is give you an audio sample. It is currently about 89 degrees and I have the windows rolled up, so I don't even know what it is in the car. But just to give you an audio sample, I have the windows up. I'm now going to roll down the driver's side window. And this is what it would sound like with the window open. I have not changed my tone of voice. I'm speaking just as I did before. I'm now going to roll the window up and I will put on the AC full blast, and I'm going to leave it on for the remainder of the trip. Windows up, and here is the AC on. So this is what it would sound like with the blower on in your car, whether it's AC or heat. Coming up on the license plate. And the license plate reads AC TU7027. This is just standard car length away kind of thing, sitting at a traffic light. You know the distance I'm talking about. We're going to make a left turn here. We'll just make that light. Now I'm going to switch to the rear camera. Now I just have the rear camera attached to the back window. However, the rear camera is weatherproof and can be mounted outside the vehicle. So if you have a trunk lid lip or something of that variety, you can go ahead and attach it there, run the wire through your trunk, and get even better video quality than can be achieved through the back window. Or of course you can do it through the back window like this, and you'll get what you get. And we're now coming back from whence we came. So once again, this was the SUPERAPEMAN 1080p front and rear dual dash cam. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description, or you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.